In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Send Mouse Click in Power Automate for improved flow performance. Power Automate is a fantastic tool that allows you to automate many tasks by leveraging a wide array of actions. And one particularly useful action you'll find is the Send Mouse Click. This can significantly enhance your flow's performance by helping automate tasks that require interacting with elements on the screen where a mouse click is needed. To start, you'll need to add the action to your desktop flow. Simply search for the Send Mouse Click action in your flow's action pane and add it to your process. Once you've added this action, it's time to configure its parameters to fit your specific use case. The first parameter you'll configure is the mouse event to send. This is where you select the type of click you want to use. You can choose from actions like a left click, which is standard for most operations, or a right click if it's necessary for accessing context menus or other functionalities. Next, you'll specify the X and Y coordinates. These coordinates determine exactly where on the screen your mouse click will occur. It's important to make sure you have the correct coordinates, as even a slight miscalculation can lead to clicking in the wrong area. You may want to use an on-screen ruler or a tool to help accurately pinpoint these coordinates. Then, decide how you want to define these coordinates by selecting the option for Relative to. This setting allows you to choose whether the coordinates are based on the entire screen, a specific window, or an element on the page. Selecting the correct option is crucial, as it determines how the system calculates the click's location in relation to the environment of your automated task. After setting the coordinates, you'll see an option called Move Mouse. Here, you'll need to decide if the mouse should visibly move to the specified coordinates before clicking. Sometimes, for user identification or troubleshooting purposes, it can be helpful to see the mouse movement across the screen, but if speed is your top priority, you might want to skip the visible movement. To further customize your settings, you can select a mouse movement style, which dictates the speed of the mouse's movement. Options like Instant might suit tasks that require rapid interactions, while low or high speed can provide smoother or more deliberate motions, which might be preferred in scenarios requiring precision. Once you've configured all these parameters to match your needs, it's time to put it all to the test. Run the flow to simulate the mouse click at the defined location. By following these steps, you're leveraging a simple action that can make your automated workflows much more efficient, precise, and effective, giving you more freedom to focus on more significant tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.